You know the old saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. Well, this has been the brand that got away from South Africans, and when it was too late, that's when the beauty unfolded. The Seat Ibiza Cupra. At the time, 132 kilowatts and 235 newton meters of torque from its 1.8 liter 20 valve turbo was very impressive, launching it from 0 to 100 in just 7.3 seconds with a top speed of 230 kilometers an hour. Well, that was then, but now is a different story to tell. This particular car, from what I was told, made 165 kilowatts and 350 newton meters of torque. Current 0 to 100, I won't be able to comment, but it feels much faster than 7.3 seconds. Top speed, well, it gets to 230 real quick. Modifications include 76mm downpipe with a 63mm mandrel bent one-box exhaust, SFS turbo inlet pipe, PMC cone filter, Forge DV, Forge actuator, and full vacuum delete with Krennic boost hoses on a very capable stock intercooler. In the looks department, it wins there too, boasting muscular arches and a mean looking front end. The rear is a bit squinty, but still has a good appeal. The stance is perfect, but bear in mind, this particular car is riding on coilovers. Although stock ones aren't that bad, and those huge factory 4-piston calipers with 312mm discs is just the cherry on top. There's just something about a two-door that always does it, don't you agree? The interior, on the other hand, well, that's not so impressive. Looks good at first sight, but that's about it. Compared to the Polo 9 and 3, which it shares many underpinnings, every time you open the door, you're always greeted with a sea of plastic and scratchy materials. The only quality feeling part is the steering wheel, to be honest, which is nicely designed and wrapped in leather. The seats are comfortable, also nicely bolstered. But when you turn that key, the sea of plastic fades away, and you're reminded again and again as to why this car is so special. For the little money you pay and for the performance you get, well, I guess I get the hype now.